So in conclusion today, we spent some time looking at Microsoft Dynamics 365, and we were able to see, that the system is easy to use, allows us to track those relationships, those customers, those interactions with the customers, allows us to, build all the activities around that to get a really solid understanding of the interactions that are involved with our customers and our customers' opportunities. And then we get ease of use into the pipeline, but not just the pipeline, where we are in the pipeline process, which makes it easier for management to understand, where we sit in certain deals without having to, reach out to the sales organization to understand that. We can also see all of the activities that are involved with those opportunities at a laser level, so we know exactly where we are and what's being spoken to our customer. And then we also, are using certainly modern tools. We spent some time looking at the mobile application. We saw, an alert that showed us our meeting with our information on that. And, obviously we're able to service up that guided sales process that brings everything together. So, again, building a system that's easy to use, that has similarities between forms where I'm on an opportunity or an account, I've got the same flow of information. Keeping your basically your scope very narrow. So creating a very simplistic version of a system that allows you to get the information you need to report on, but more importantly, drives user adoption. And then, finally, being able to understand, what are some of the key models and that are driving the business? What are some of the things that you're looking to achieve in order to get to a fully immersed, usable system for your organization? While finding an implementation partner that understands your business to a T and understands the things that you need to report on and understand the things that are important for you in order to be successful. So really at the end of the day, it comes down to the overall approach. And you saw a system today that's very easy to use, and we may recommend an even more scaled back version for you in order to focus in on simple workflows and simple understanding of information and how it flows through the system. So a crawl, walk, run approach is really critical in order to adopting the system within an organization like yourself. And then make sure to communicate to your employees regularly. Make sure that they understand, how the system is going to be rolled out, and show it to them often. Don't show it to them right at the time of training. Show it to them as the system is evolving and ask for input, because these are the folks that are going to be using the system at the end of the day, and the system is only going to be good as those who ultimately end up using it. We appreciate your time today and look forward to discussing your opportunities further.